Hey again, welcome to Chem Classroom with Auntie Taiwo. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. So today we'll be talking about atoms, although we did a short video on the atoms some times ago, but today we will be doing something more comprehensive on the atoms. Okay, now atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. And in an atom, you have the elemental particles that we call the protons, neutrons, and electrons. Yes. Now the proton is positively charged, the electron is negatively charged, and the neutron doesn't have a charge, it's neutral. Okay, now you have the proton and the neutron in the nucleus. We call them nucleons. Yes. They determine the atomic number and the atomic mass, while you have the electron revolving around the nucleus. Okay, now we have something on the board and we are going to fill up the table. Now your atomic number is the number of your protons, while the atomic mass or your mass number is the protons plus the neutrons. So if we're able to establish that, we'll be able to fill up what we have on the board. So if we have the atomic number to be equal to the number of the protons, then we have the atomic mass, or we call it mass number as well, to be equal to protons plus neutrons. Okay, so now another thing again that we have to know here again is this. If you have an atom, if there is a charge, if the charge is positive, it shows that the atom is giving out electrons. And if the charge is negative, it shows that the charge is receiving electrons. So let's go to the board and solve what we have here today. Just follow me gently. Okay, now the number that you have on top is the mass number. Yes, so if you have something like this, X, then you have Y and Z. Y here is the mass number or the atomic mass, then Z is the what? Atomic number. Okay, so because you can see some examples like this and you'll be wondering which one is mass number, which one is atomic number. So the one on top is the mass number or the atomic mass, while the one down is the atomic number. Okay, so the mass number here is 1, is the one written up, and the atomic number is 1. Yes. Then the protons here, since the atomic number is 1, is also 1. Then the neutrons, there is no neutrons here because your neutrons will be the atomic mass minus what? The number of the protons. So my neutrons here is what? 0. Then my electron will also be 1. Most times your protons and your electrons have the same number except when there is a charge. Yes. Okay. Then for mass number here, I also have 13. Atomic number, I have 6. Number of protons, I have 6. Number of neutrons will be what? 13 minus 6, which will give me 7. And my electrons will still be 6. Okay. I have sodium here also. My mass number here is 23. My atomic number is 11. My protons also is 11. While my neutrons here will be what? 23 minus 11 to give me what? 23 minus 11 will give me 12. Then my electrons will also be 11. Yes. Now we are gradually going to the one that we need to reason along with it. Okay, now here I have a charge. This 2 minus shows that oxygen is collecting what? 2 electrons. Okay, now my mass number here is 16. My atomic number here is also 8. My protons here is also 8. My neutrons will be 16 minus 8, which is 8. But because oxygen is collecting 2 electrons, my electrons there will be 8. So that's like 8 plus 2 to give me 10. Yes. Okay. Then we have calcium here giving out 2 electrons because of the positive charge. Okay. Now we have mass number to be 40, atomic number to be 20, protons is also 20. Then the neutron will be what? 40 minus 20, which is 20. Then my electrons, calcium is giving out 2 electrons, so my electrons there will be 18. Yep. Okay, now I want us to see the difference between the sodium here and the one that we have here. The one we have here is giving out 1 electron. This plus means plus 1, so it's giving out 1 electron. So the difference between this one now is that the number of my electrons will be different. So my atomic mass will still be 23, my atomic number will still be 11, my protons will still be 11, my neutrons will still be what? 12, but my electron, I'm losing 1 electron, so my electron here will be what? Will be 10. Okay, so I want to assume that you followed me gently and you will be able to do more examples. So I would write your assignment here now. Okay, let's use aluminium. So you are going to show me the mass number, atomic number, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Aluminium is 13, so I have 27 here. Then you're also going to show me for the one where it's going to lose electrons. Okay, then you are also going to do for me for chlorine 1735.5, then Cl minus 1735.5. Okay, so share, like, and tell your friends that Aunty Taiwo is teaching the nucleus of existence on Chem Classroom. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you.